This is Good Morning Connecticut on News 8.
We have professional chef Julie Hartigan in the kitchen. Now, she's going to keep you cool in the summer heat, and by doing that, she's going to be making rainbow pops and cheesecake fruit dip today.
Oh, I have to be honest, I peeked, and the fruit she brought for the dip looks so good.
Well, she was on my Facebook Live with me.
Oh,
so,
yeah?
Yeah, I got a little preview.
Oh, you got a little preview.
Did you get to taste it?
I
didn't
yet.
No, I'm going to play fair with everybody else.
I'm excited.
Yep.
Summer heat is on, and that's why we have professional chef Julie Hartigan here making no-bake summer treats, laying out the ingredients for rainbow pops and cheesecake fruit dip. Wow, this all looks so good.
Thank you.
Nothing like fresh fruit in the summer.
Oh, I know, exactly. And it's all in season, and it's so much fun to use it in healthy but still fun desserts that don't require baking. So DIY rainbow pops, I think, are just such a fun idea. You can check it out. You can use fruit purees, fruit juices, but the key here, I mean, do you remember making ice pops when you were a kid and you'd be checking them every like half hour? It takes all day to make. Popsicle technology has like changed so much. They have all these really great pop makers now that are pre-frozen. You can make ice pops with this in under 10 minutes.
Really?
So yeah, it's called the Quixicle by Pampered Chef. It's really great, and you can actually just pour the ingredients in here and then make cool layers if you want to. And I shared a whole bunch of different tips. You can use like fruit puree on the bottom or on the top, fruit juice. You could do your favorite smoothie mix in here. I've done those. If you want, you could also put little pieces of fruit in to give that like cute layered look. I know, it's such a fun DIY thing to do with kids that are home for the summer, but honestly for snacks for myself too.
Love it.
Yeah.
And what are we going to need for your dip over there?
And then to make this dip, it's so simple. It just requires some light whipped topping, a little bit of Greek yogurt, that's what's keeping it healthy. There's a little bit of light cream cheese, some confectioner sugar, some milk, just really things that you might already have on hand. And a beater, and I'll show you how fast that is to make when we come back.
So great, and such a nice assortment of fruit too. This is like fun for the kids here, but also fun for the adults.
Very fun for grown-ups. I mean, honestly, a smoothie pop after the gym would be so healthy and refreshing. And you know, when you buy those ice pops, you don't know what's in them, the artificial colors, and I really love the idea of the layered too. I just think it's such a fun way to get creative with fresh fruit in the summertime.
Julie, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Good way to kick off August, isn't it? All right, let's get you over to Jocelyn and Gil over there. Doesn't this look perfect?
Oh, we can't wait to try it.
How did we get stuck over here?
I don't know. But
we're going to have to get over there.
Yeah, we will.
All right, we're going to send things over to Jocelyn and Gil in the kitchen now.
The dogs look fake there, didn't they?
They're so sweet, aren't they?
They're so fluffy and
Talk about well-trained over there, right?
Well, we're back in the kitchen with professional chef Julie Hartigan, where she's putting together these really cool summer treats.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. So let's keep it a little healthy in the summer. We have all this beautiful fresh fruit that's in season. So when I was speaking with Laura earlier, we made these awesome DIY rainbow pops. Did you guys check out how cute those are?
That is awesome.
All you need to do is make your favorite mix of smoothie, buy your favorite smoothie, use pureed fruit. This is pureed kiwi. That's a little bit of strawberry juice. This was just frozen mango that I pureed with some Greek yogurt, a tiny bit of honey, and I'm telling you, this Quixicle maker is
so that's the whole secret.
my gosh.
Break this down a little bit now.
All right, I'm not going to lie to you guys.
If you want to let the secret out.
You love gadgets, I hear.
I really do. I was an engineer before I became a chef, and we were like joking about that. So I love anything that makes. I am. It freezes each layer in less than 8 minutes, 8 minutes or so. So you can make all of these cool rainbow effect pops in no time. The base in this Quixicle maker has freezing technology. So you just pour in the ingredients you want, let it freeze really quickly, layer. You don't have to wait. Remember waiting?
Yeah,
all
of course.
night checking the ice pops. But so yes, these are these beautiful
Just have
DIY
your ingredients ready, because you can just make these so quickly.
Exactly, in a flash.
Cool.
You can have like ice pops in a flash. And honestly, again, great like post-gym treat for the grown-ups. You can make mojito pops if you want, you know. But let's make some healthy cheesecake dips too.
You call it cheesecake dip.
It's basically like cheesecake filling without the baking, with a handful of ingredients, and you can serve it nice and chilled. I love this container. It has a little freezer section in the bottom to keep it cold. You serve it with fresh fruit, with grams, and I'll show you how fast it is to make. You guys are going to crack up. I almost feel badly calling it a recipe. It's easy. So what we're going to do is start with a little bit of light cream cheese at room temperature. Just beat it in your bowl, and then we're going to add a little bit of confectioner sugar. Oh, you're so sweet.
There you go.
Jocelyn's the best. You're the best too.
Oh, thanks.
And then some skim milk. here's the key. A little bit of Greek yogurt. It's going to add protein. Oh my gosh, you're so...
You have too many
wow, this is like a
things
total
happening
team
here.
effort here today, you guys.
Right.
A little bit of Greek yogurt.
Now,
Okay.
Then
probably
we've got...
gonna need this here.
You want to add it in? You want to cook?
Okay.
A little bit of
What is
lemon,
this?
lemon
The whole
juice.
thing? Yeah, we're just going to
Okay.
put this
Lemon
whole, yeah,
juice.
all right.
Okay, this is another favorite gadget of mine, guys. I've brought it on before.
I've
The
heard about
microplane.
this.
We're going to add some lemon zest. It's going to
Okay.
really give it that cheesecake flair and flavor. You just use this guy. It
Oh,
gives
you
you that
smell that
little
right
bit.
away.
Isn't that amazing?
We have about 30 seconds.
All right. So we keep beating this, and then all you need to do, it's pretty much done, guys. Once this is combined, we fold in a little tiny bit
smell the
of
lemon.
light
know.
whipped topping. You know, like light Cool Whip or whatnot, whatever
Okay.
kind you like. And that is it. Your cheesecake dip is done. It is fantastic to serve with fresh fruit. You can put it with graham crackers, make little tarts, and it's just easier than baking a cheesecake. You get that flavor vibe that everyone loves cheesecake.
And it's healthy.
It's cool, it's
Heating
healthy,
up
it's
the,
light.
kitchen.
No oven, no stove, so simple.
That's
Great.
it.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.
This looks